Hi, this is Sue again, and this is my submission for question 2 of assignment 2. And description of how the online activity assessment or resource is aligned with the rest of the curriculum. As I mentioned before, we have a concept curriculum. And this whole class is designed around a specific concept. And in order to do that, we have some specific student learning outcomes, or what we call SLOs. And in this case, what we do is the students will, and then we have them describe, explain, assess, all these action words, action verbs that they will, for each of the learning outcomes pertaining to this specific concept. For example, they will explain the pathophysiology of the eye, or how the eye works, that sort of stuff. So we have a list of those, and then the students need to be able to answer or understand each one of those student learning outcomes. The activities, the students should be able to, when they complete the activities, they should be able to go back and link the activities to the actual student learning outcome. And they can say, yes, I learned this, or yes, I did this. So that's how I plan to link them. And the activities will be specific to do that. Say, for example, for pathophysiology, it might be a YouTube explaining or a visual explaining. So that way the students will understand, and this is all explained right up front with them. And then we also, as I said, they need to know the pathophysiology. They need to be able to perform assessments, so they actually will be able to watch an assessment and complete an assessment in a clinical situation. Not everything is going to be done here online, and in the end, they will need to evaluate their patient care. So we have evaluation strategies built in. And to finish answering this question, I've put a schematic of the nursing process here. And that's how we teach the concepts. Is the nurse has to first assess. They have to figure out what's wrong. We call that nursing diagnosis. They have to plan on what they're going to do. They have to implement what they're going to do, and they have to evaluate. So we have our concept, we have our nursing process. We teach by this, and those are connected with our student SLOs. And that's the answer for number 2.